Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 4, that's name is Basic Geometrical Idea. And in this one, we are going to see the solution of exercise 4.4. And if you have any kinds of doubt related to this exercise, then don't worry about it. I teach mathematics to the weak student, and believe me, in the end of this video you will have not a single doubt in this one. Okay, so this is related to our AP board, Andhra Pradesh State Board. So let's start the exercise. So the first question is it here: make any 4 points like A B C D, join them to make a quadratical, name it. Okay, so what is a quadraticals? When 4 line segments meet together, they make a quadratical. Like this 3 line segments, when the 3 line segments meet, they make a triangle. Like that only, when the 4 line segments meet together, they make quadratical. Okay, now if 3 line segment it will meet, then it will make a triangle. When 4 line segments 1 2 3 4 line segment meet, it will make a quadratic. Okay, quadratic, right? So now here we have to take a 4 points. Like let's suppose this is a 1 point here. Okay, this is a. Let's suppose this is a B. Let's suppose this is a C. Okay, something. And let's suppose this is a D. Okay, this is a points. Let's join this. So let's suppose A to B I'm joining here. Okay, B to C I'm joining here. Okay, then here, and then after, okay, then C to D I'm joining here, and from D to A to D and D to A I'm joining here. So one quadratic already I made it. What I made? This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And what is it name? Name is A B C D. Over. From A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A, or otherwise you can say A to D. Okay, now is it clear or not? So this is a quadratic. Okay, now this is called a quadratic. So how it is made? It is made from A B C D. Okay, is it clear? Right. So like that here, if you see here, this is our second question. This is a quadratic of P Q R S and P, that's the PS. It's a one quadratic, P Q R S. P Q R S. This is a 4 point, P Q R S. Over. Okay, so this is, you can make like that also. Okay, now let's see. In this question, what is it telling? The opposite side of QR. Where it is QR? This is Q, this is R. So this is a one line segment of QR. What is the opposite of Q and R? If you opposite means this is you, okay, and this is your sister. Okay, this is your sister and this is you, handsome boy. Okay, so who is opposite to you? Your sister is opposite to you, right? Like that only. This is Q and R, this is you. Who is opposite to you? This is P and S. Here, this is opposite. Okay, which is opposite to the Q and R? The opposite of Q and R is that P and S. So what do you have to write? You have to write P and S. You have to write. The opposite of this one is PS. Okay, and this is line segment. You can make like this. It means line segment only. Okay, otherwise you can repeat, just write like it only. Okay now, right? So come after that. So after that, what is it next? The angle, opposite angle of P. This is the P. Okay, what is opposite of P? Just take a straight line here. What is opposite? R is opposite. So what is opposite? R is opposite. Okay, the adjacent side of PQ. Adjacent side means, what is the mean by adjacent side? Adjacent side means the near. Let's suppose this is you and this is your sister. Okay, this is your sister. Okay, this is your sister, and here is your, okay, here is your father. Okay, so you are adjacent to whom? You are adjacent to your sister also, your father also, right? Like that only. In this one, the adjacent of PQ. This is P, this is Q. The PQ, this line is adjacent to which number? Which line segment? This line P and Q is adjacent to R also. Like you are adjacent with your sister also, and you are adjacent with your father also, right? Like that. This P and Q is adjacent. It is very near to the, this line is meeting towards the R also, and this S also. Okay, now it is very near to the which? Adjacent means the nearest the nearest line segment. Adjacent means the nearest line segment. You are nearest to whom? You are nearest to your sister also, you are nearest to your father also. Like that only. This, if you see this P and Q, this PQ is nearest to the PS also and QR also. So what you have to write? You have to write it is nearest to PS also and QR also. Okay, right. Now let's do the next one. Now you can tell me the adjacent side of S. This is a S. Okay, this S is there. This S is near to which? This is talking about angle. The S is there, na? Where it is S? S is here. This S is adjacent to which? This S is adjacent to P also, and this nearest is R also. So it is nearest to P and R. So here the adjacent angle of S is, it is very near. The S is near to which line segment? S is near to the P line segment also and R line segment also. That's why. Okay, understand? And this is your sister pic. This is your sister pic. Okay, how it is? It is looking like very dangerous. Okay, if someone is looking, then they are going to kill me, right? Okay, so it's just a joking. Don't take it serious. Okay, now come to the third question. Name the points of the figure. Okay, so we already know that this is our quadratic. Inside of the line, this is called interior. Outside, this is called exterior. In the boundary, that is called a boundary. Okay, so this is a one boundary. This black color, this red color I'm drawing, this is boundary. Inside the boundary, it is called interior. Outside boundary, exterior. And which in the boundary, that is boundary only. Simple. Nothing else will be here also. Okay, let's solve the question. The first question answer I'm writing. The point of the interior quadratic. So what is in the interior? This is Q. Here it is there. Okay, what is in the interior? Interior, S and P is there. S and R is there, na? S and R in the interior. So let's do the second question. The point on the boundary of the quadratic. In the boundary, which is in the boundary? D is in the boundary. Okay, then after A is in the boundary. Okay, then after E is in the boundary. E is in the boundary. Then after B is in the boundary. Then after B is in the boundary. Then after C is in the boundary. That's over. Now let's do the third question. The point of the exterior. In the exterior, what is there? In the exterior, T is there, right? T. In the exterior, Q is there, right? Q. In the exterior, P is there, right? P. That's over. That much simple this question is there. It is not lot of hard and things etc is there. Okay, now you can write like this: A, B, C, D and E also. Okay, now you can write like this: A, B, C, D, E to look better. Okay, now otherwise like that also you can write it. Okay, now right. So is it clear? So this answer is right only. Don't think this is wrong. This is right. This is also right. So this is it is not in the proper manner, but you can write it in the proper manner like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, then after so on, alphabet over. Okay, so this exercise is also over. Nothing in this one. These are the very easy things. It is just mathematics. When you go to the 8th class, 9th class, then you will understand what is mathematics. Okay, now right now currently the mathematics, whatever you are studying right now in mathematics, study well, practice lot of questions. When you go to the 7th class, when you learn there, it is going to be helpful for you. When you go to 8th class, helpful for you. 9th class, helpful for you. 10th class will be easy. Okay, now if you don't in your life, don't miss 2 classes, 8th and 9th. These are the very very important classes. 8th, 9th and 10th. This class mathematics is very very important for you. These are the advanced mathematics. From 6 to 7, these are the basic mathematics: addition, subtraction, what is number, what is, how you have to do. These are the basics. 6 to 7 in the mathematics, these are the basic mathematics. From 8 to 10th mathematics, this is one of the advanced mathematics which you have to. This is not a lot of advanced, but it is advanced for you. If you learn till 10th class mathematics, it is going to be a better. Okay, now normal police examination you will crack it. Okay, now I'm telling you. Okay, normal police examination, you see, normal police constable examination of the police after the 12th which is there, you can, after reading 10th class 12th class only, you will qualify that. Okay, all right. So this is still here only. Everything is clear. Let's see you in the next video. I hope this video, you whatever in this one, everything is clear. Okay, so let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.